Hi, my name is Pete Rainford, you're watching Rainford Wood Studio. Today, we're making a flattening jig for a trim router. Right, so I already have this juice groove jig that I made, and the flattening jig I'm about to make will primarily be for cutting boards, so I'm going to use this as the base and make a wooden channel for the trim router to slide through. Pretty simple build, this one. I've got this piece of chipboard that came off a shelving unit part of the desk that I've got the drawers down here on the workbench for. And all we need to do is to put two sides on here for this trim router to run inside nice and straight. Nice veneered chipboard, so this runs nice and free. And the two strips of chipboard I put along here and attach to glue and screws will make it more rigid and keep it flat. So the base on my trim router is 14 centimeters or 140 millimeters. So we want these two strips of timber to be just over 14 centimeters because there's no point in making it too tight. So 14.1, 14.2 millimeters would be perfect. So I've got a second piece here and I'm going to cut just a couple of inches high because that's all we need, just to make sure the router doesn't, come over the top. It runs inside the channel. In fact, 2 inches might be too much. Yeah, we'll cut two 30mm strips, and this is the same length as the other piece. Onto the table saw. Okay, so I've got my end grain cutting board in here that I'm working on, and I've clamped these two clamps on here just to they kind of act as guides to keep it inside the rails, so it can't move. The only thing I've got to be careful is I haven't got anything here to stop the router from coming into the side rails. There you go, as you can see it slides over beautifully. So I'm going to flatten this board, see how this works. And there we go, a simple flattening jig for a trim router.